Embroidery can look expensive, detailed, and custom, yet a lot of people are surprised by how affordable the right machine can be. A small setup can open the door to personal projects, gifts, or even a side hustle without a huge upfront cost. In this video, I am breaking down the best budget embroidery machines and what makes each one stand out. This is for anyone who wants clean stitching and creative freedom without jumping into high price tags. Every machine in this list stays in the budget range, yet they still vary in price. Some sit closer to the lower end for simple projects and learning the basics. Others cost a bit more, but offer features that make sense for bigger designs or more frequent use. That is why watching the full video really helps, so you can see which one fits your needs and how you plan to use it. All the product links are waiting for you in the description. If this video helps you out, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you stay up to date with new videos. If questions come up at any point, the comment section is the place to drop them. Let's get started with the first pick. Number 5, Brother LB 5500S. This one brings a fun twist without losing focus on everyday projects. It mixes sewing and embroidery in a single setup, which helps save space and keeps things simple for creative work at home. The 4x4-inch embroidery field works well for logos, patches, and smaller designs. On the sewing side, there are over 100 stitch options and several automatic buttonhole styles, so basic clothing projects feel covered. The color touchscreen makes a big difference here. Designs can be moved, resized, and previewed right on the display, which cuts down guesswork. Wireless sharing and USB support make sending files easier, and drawing designs through a phone app adds a creative angle that feels approachable. One thing that stands out is the themed look. It comes in Star Wars and Marvel styles, with interchangeable faceplates that give it personality. That may be a big plus for fans or younger users. The build uses metal parts, and the weight stays reasonable for moving around. The embroidery area stays on the smaller side, so large designs take extra planning. Still, for a mid-tier budget pick with strong features, this one earns its place on the list for many users. Number 4, Brother PE 545. This pick keeps things simple by focusing on embroidery and nothing else. That makes it a good fit for people who already have a sewing machine or only care about stitched designs. I see this one working well for names, small graphics, and clean decorative work. The 4x4-inch hoop matches what we saw earlier, so it stays friendly for patches, towels, and shirts. The color touchscreen is easy to follow, with drag and drop controls that help place designs without guesswork. There are plenty of built-in patterns to start with, plus multiple font styles for lettering. Wireless sharing and a USB port give 2 easy ways to bring designs over, and the mobile app lets you sketch ideas right on a phone. That setup feels welcoming for beginners who want to try custom work without extra steps. This machine sticks to single-color stitching, with prompts telling you when to change thread. That slows things down for multicolor designs, though it keeps the process clear. The hoop size does not go past 4x4, so larger artwork needs planning or split layouts. It comes in white only, with bundle options that add hoops, thread, or needles. For an entry-level budget choice that stays focused on embroidery, this one makes sense for many creative setups. Number 3, Poulin EOC 05. Moving up the list, this pick brings more flexibility without losing that beginner-friendly feel. It adds extra space for creativity, which can make a big difference once designs start getting longer or more detailed. I see this fitting creators who want a wider embroidery area without stepping out of the budget zone. The hoop setup stands out right away. You get a standard 4x4 hoop plus a longer 4x9.25-inch option. That added width works well for names, borders, and extended designs on items like bags or shirts. The 7-inch touchscreen feels familiar, similar to using a phone, which keeps setup clear and easy to follow. Design transfer stays simple with Wi-Fi and USB support, and there are plenty of built-in patterns and fonts ready to go. Stitch speed can be adjusted, and automatic trimming after each color helps keep the process smooth. It runs on a single needle, so thread changes are manual, though it can handle designs with many color steps. A full starter kit comes in the box, including thread, bobbins, stabilizer, and tools. That makes getting started less stressful. The footprint stays compact, close to a standard sewing machine. Some users mention thread jams, and hoop choices stop at the included sizes. Still, for an upper budget option with a larger embroidery field, this one offers a lot to like. Number 2. Brother SE700. Coming in at number 2, this pick blends everyday sewing with embroidery in a way that feels balanced and approachable. The embroidery area stays at 4 by 4 inches, which matches others on this list, so it works best for logos, names, and smaller designs. For sewing, there is a wide mix of stitch options and several one-step buttonhole styles that make clothing and home projects easier to plan. The color touchscreen keeps things visual, letting designs be previewed and adjusted before stitching starts. Wireless sharing is a big draw here. Designs can be sent over without cables, and there is still a USB option for quick transfers. The mobile app adds another layer, letting patterns be drawn on a phone and sent straight over. That setup feels friendly for beginners who want to experiment with custom ideas. It supports many file types and handles designs with lots of color changes, though thread swaps are still manual. The machine stays fairly lightweight, making it easy to move or store. The main limit is the embroidery size, which may feel tight for larger artwork. Still, for a mid-tier budget option that handles both sewing and embroidery, this one sits very close to the top of the list. Number 1. Brother PE 900. Taking the top spot, this pick is all about embroidery space and control. The 5 by 7 inch embroidery field is the biggest upgrade here. That extra space makes a real difference for larger patterns, detailed monograms, and layout freedom. The needle-to-arm clearance feels generous, so thicker items and layered fabrics fit more comfortably. The color touchscreen stays familiar, with clear menus and on-screen editing that lets designs be resized, rotated, or combined before stitching starts. Built-in designs cover a wide range, and the font selection includes multiple languages, which is great for name work and custom text. Wireless file transfer keeps things simple, with a USB port as a backup. The mobile app adds another creative path, letting patterns start as drawings on a phone. This machine focuses on embroidery only, so it pairs best with a separate sewing machine. Automatic jump stitch trimming and color sorting help reduce manual steps during longer designs. Stitch speed stays controlled rather than fast, which suits detailed work. It comes in white and has several bundle options with extra frames or thread packs. Some users mention thread handling quirks, though many find the results clean and polished. For an upper budget embroidery-focused option with a larger hoop, this one earns the number 1 spot. You can see that even within a budget range, embroidery machines can feel very different from one another. The right choice really comes down to the kind of projects you want to work on and how much space and control you need. If one of these options looks like a good fit, the links are down in the description. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you stay up to date. You can drop a comment if any questions come up, and feel free to check out the other videos on the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.